the biggest and best affiliate marketing tips online. Your search for information having to do with affiliate marketing has proved to be unfruitful up to this point. You have heard of it and heard that it is possible to profit from it, however, you really do not have a firm grasp on what it is or how to use it. This video will explain. If you ever become involved with a self-hosted affiliate and begin to do well, turning out big commissions, you should never be afraid to ask for more money. Product providers want to keep their best earning affiliates, and you can get a 10% bump by simply asking for it, so do not shy away from asking. If someone is visiting your site for sports information, that's what they're interested in finding. If the affiliate link is not about sports, the reason they came to your site, it won't help you. Your readers will be primarily interested in clicking links that are relevant to the rest of your site. To maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, you need to make sure you are dealing with a reputable company. Do some research online to see what others have said about them and if they treat customers right. Find out if there is a consistent problem with them paying what they owe. Beware of the pre-sale theory that you will read in a lot of places. Affiliate marketing requires you to promote products, but if you could actually sell them without driving people to another company's product page, then you wouldn't actually be an affiliate. You can go with a soft sell, but steer clear of the hard sell. When looking to succeed at affiliate marketing, it is vitally important that you understand the products and services, marketplace goals, and marketplace role that your affiliate holds. Knowing this, you should select an affiliate that inspires you to stay up to date on current products and the success stories of customers using your affiliate's services. A good tip for affiliate marketers is that they should take advantage of all the tools that the affiliate companies provide you with. Most affiliate programs are always adding new tools that you can use to better promote their products, and so you would be wise to implement them in your site. Starting a blog is one of the best ways to generate income through affiliate marketing. A blog is a great place to talk about a product, and you can include links within the text to take the customer to your various affiliates. Make sure you get as many readers as possible though. A good tip for affiliate marketing is to network. Success in affiliate marketing is heavily influenced by the relationships you build, so be sure to join different forums and blogs that have to do with any products that you promote. Make insightful comments and include your website, as it is free advertising. In conclusion, you now should know a lot more about affiliate marketing than before you watch this video. Ideally, this should be the main source that you can use to get started and build your affiliate marketing plan around. Go ahead and give the tips that were provided a try, and you should be pleased. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.